Do you want to know how you can link your MetaTrader 5 with your broker account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Financeable. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can link your MetaTrader 5 account with your broker account. Go ahead and open MetaTrader, which is on your phone. Now, go to Accounts, which is on the left hand side. Click on Manage Accounts and you can see the plus icon on the top right hand side. Go ahead and click on plus and you can find your broker. Let's suppose my broker is FFTMO. I'll go ahead and search it and you can see that when I search it, it will appear right on the screen. I'll go ahead and tap on it and you can see that you can log into your existing account. Go ahead and write down your login ID in this box, your password, choose your server over here, and after that click login. This way you can easily link your MetaTrader 5 with your broker account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.